Gator Pit Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. Rich Robin here. I'm going to walk you through this custom Bandit. The customer's on his way to pick it up today. Be here in a couple hours. We've got the Bandit Mobile that is on our website at gatorpit.net. We've got an all quarter-inch thick steel, quarter-inch thick frame, solid plate front deck. We're going to work from the front and work our way down on the driver's side, and then we'll hit the back side. So up front, you got a 2-inch coupler, top one screw jack, safety chains, removable jack wheel. We do stamp VIN numbers on the frames there. Get your Gator Pit badging. Again, solid plate deck, quarter-inch gussets and stress points. We've got a monitor mount, probe port, birdhouse stack, quarter-inch thick steel, Gator's heavy-duty hinges, quarter-inch steel walls as well, Gator Pit badging, stainless steel, Gator etched into it, Gator Pit's commercial recalibratable gauges. We've got custom A&M signage, stainless steel cool touch handles. The doors do lock. We do provide pins. You want to padlock it, have at it. We don't provide the padlocks, but we do provide safety locks for traveling down the road. We've got an all steel welded front shelf. Down below, 2-inch brass ball valve, easy open close with a quarter turn for your drain. And again, that 2x2 quarter-inch wall square tubing reinforced with more tubing and angle as well. Steel fenders, 3,500-pound axle with springs, bearing buddies, 205/75 trailer rated tires. These are radials, 5 lug. Excuse me. Main chamber's quarter-inch thick, 20 inches in diameter by 40 long. Gator Pit commercial gauge, stainless steel handles as well. Doors locked with a probe port as well for the main chamber. We have an offset firebox that is squared, upgraded square firebox. That is a 1/2-inch thick firebox. 1/2-inch thick firebox, guys. This guy will never have to worry about this firebox. We've got a heavy-duty quarter-inch thick angle framed fire grate that is removable, and it sits about 4 inches off the bottom to give you adequate airflow underneath, along with our dial-style air vents. And that door locks as well. I love the sound of that solid steel, man. That's just solid. Get you a back rear view shot. Getting on over to the driver's side, passenger side, we've got some angle framed mesh storage that is about 5 feet long. And he added some tools to it. Our Gator Pit ash rakes and fire pokers with stainless steel handles as well. He's got some skirting going on there. Steel fenders over here as well. Universal light kit. More Gator badging. Look at the back side of this, just nice, clean, and smooth. Smooth edges. Butt joints are cleaned out and smoothed out as well. Again, that solid plate deck, gusseted at weak points or stress points rather. Just overall, beautiful, beautiful trailer. Great for the personal use, small catering. Take it to the ball games for tailgating, go to the beach. It's a great little pit, all behind a small SUV, no problems. He's even upgraded to the tuning plates inside, and he's got sliding angle frame meat racks. Getting into the vertical upright smoker box. You've got the 4 sliding meat racks, and he added our sausage hangers as well. These are the sausage hangers. You remove a grate, and these sausage hangers will actually rest and suspend on the flat grate slides, and you can hang your ropes of sausage in slow smoke or cold smoke. All your doors are fully flanged on the inside, and they're flanged on the outside. Again, that is quarter-inch thick steel, just heavy-duty stuff the Gator Pit makes. Nice, clean, cut doors, smooth edges, no gouges, no spatter. We clean these things up, man. You got your heavy-duty hinges, you got your drip bars on the inside, flanges on the outside. Our pits are known for not leaking, retaining all the heat inside as opposed to leaking out your doors. That is to include the upright. Everything goes out the stack as it should. Again, this is our Bandit on our website at gatorpit.net. Look for the Bandit, gatorpit.net. On their options you can add. A lot of the options he added are on that website. Just click them and build it how you want. But for the price of this cooker, man, nobody touched it. This pit's priced less than some of the other manufacturers' backyard pits. And that is no BS, guys. This is a great, great pit for anybody looking for personal use, small catering use, doing little church events. Tailgating is great for tailgating. And it's easy to tow. full size 3,500 pound axle with full size tires, man. Not those rinky dink 12-inch or 14-inch wheels. These are 15-inch wheels, 5 lug, 3,500 pound axle with springs as well. Again, Rich Robin, Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. Interested in this cooker or any other cooker on our website at gatorpit.net, give me a call, 713-896-0144, or email me at info@gatorpit.net. Our website is gatorpit.net. I'm Rich Robin. See ya.